What's up, you guys? It's Rina. Yes, I'm wearing gloves. I'm a bitch. I'm gonna be disassembling the top portion of my 2JZ. So here's my piece of shit. I already kind of like started on it, but I got the intake portion of it off right here. And then from there, I'll just start ripping stuff out from the sides.
Six and a half hours later.
So I just kind of like put it all on top, but I'm gonna go ahead and take all this off and then I'll be able to show you guys what exactly I got off. Okay, now that I got pretty much everything back off of it and off to the side, I guess I'll just go through like everything I took off really fast. Got the entire harness off, fuel rail and injectors. This is part of the intake. This is another part of the intake. And that is also a part of the intake. 2 of the little exhaust manifolds that I also took off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to cracking on this bitch and get the valve cover off. Hell yeah.
5 minutes later.
So I just went to go look at the little hold-ons for the plastic timing cover thing here. They are little Allen keys.
It's a Supra.
It is a Supra.
Eleven minutes later.
Hello and welcome back again. Today we are ghetto rigging out the head bolts. They are triple squares and the cams are out. Everything's labeled kinda. Okay, ready? Hold it, hold it. It's gonna shift.
Holding it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Keep going.
They are so
You got it.
Girl was right.
There you go. There you go.
My chicken arms. Okay, you record yes. Number 3.
Come on, Rena. Let's get this going.
Leg power, bitch.
Whack him in the head.
Yay. The head is off. So, like, let's fucking go. Look at that shit. Ooh. This is how she sits right now. And I will come back to you guys next time I'm working on this thing. The time has come. I bought a cheap ass fucking stand. I'm guessing that it'll be okay because it's just a block, so it holds 750. I know these motors are heavier because cast iron, but I feel like it'll be okay. My guy Gio over here is gonna help me. We're gonna lift it up because we are broke and don't have a proper hoist. And yeah, bolted on right here and there and there. And then flip this bitch over. Alright, because I'm not a big strong man, I'm having friends help with my weak ass fucking Oh. Oh. Yeehaw. Hands off, sumps off. That covers off. And it runs smooth. So nothing binds. I'm very excited. Look at that. Boom! Okay, so the audio cut out here, sorry about that, but pretty much all I'm explaining is I'm going to detorque the main and rod bearing caps here so that I'm able to get all the pistons out and everything. The machining shop, so stay tuned. There it is. Yay! Oh! Piston out! Piston out! Woo! Hell yeah! First piston's out. Let's go, beach. That's fucking sick. Empty. Well, 5 more to go. The moment we've all been waiting for. All the pistons are lined up in order right there. All the main caps are lined up in order right there. I still have the flex plate on there.
2 days later.
Alright, it's finally time to pull the crankshaft out. As you can see, the oil pump's just kind of chilling on there. because I didn't take off the timing gear on there, but I'll get it later. Oh, bearings are going everywhere. Oh, it's so heavy. Crankshaft out. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh. Thrust washer down. Thrust washers are fucking flying everywhere, but it's okay. Just gonna set those there. Here's the other half of these main bearings right here. That's it. So now, empty block. So I can take this. Me and my lovely boyfriend are gonna unbolt it from the stand, throw it into the daily so that I can take it off to get machined. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, it's the end of this video. If you want to continue watching my journey with the 2J, then you can subscribe to my channel. I guess if you liked the video. You'll like the video. And yeah, I'm gonna go throw this in my car. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.